Bafowethu it is Durban Network. Sikhona ke la enkabeni yeTheku bathi is Point Road la sikhona eEdington eclinic yakhona la sizobheka khona isihlava sama foreigners sama illegal immigrants agcina overcrowd okanye overwhelm ibhedlela zase South Africa. Baphumile ke abantu base South Africa ngobuningi babo bathi cha thina sizolwa be-enforcer isection ethizeni yomthetho la khona bekwazi ukutshela abantu abama illegal immigrants ukuthi cha iservice ifanele abantu base South Africa. So nathi ke sizile sathi cha sifuna ukuba ingxenye yayo abantu base South Africa siba support nizwe ukuthi bona bathini bafila kanjani ngalento eyenzeka. Sondela ke sibabona njengamanje ke ngine member ye march and march kuthiwa we march and march until we win.
Member of the committee. Yebo sawubona njani?
Siyaphila njani?
Ngiyaphila.
Siyabona ukuthi nihlangene kune section thizeni yomthetho enizoyi enforcer la.
Yeah, sizo enforcer section 17 no section 37 of our constitution. La it states clearly ukuthi we are not entitled ukuthi silaphe abantu bokufika. Ngokomthetho kumele bahambe baye ebhedlela bakhokhe imali for them to get medical services. But leyo ukuthi bagcwale ema-clinic yabo nje namhlanje kushawa umoya e-clinic. Abantu abaphumayo la bakhuluma igama elilodwa ukuthi bajwayele ukufika ngabo 6 bahambe ngabo 4 la ntambama abanye bahambe ngabo 5. So nathi siyi-Durban sithe enough is enough. It's our rights as citizens, sinayo right ukuthi senze lokho esikwenzayo. So as from today, South African citizens ngenani emakliniki nizothola iservice deserve efaneleke nina yenu, not ama foreigners. Whether you are legal or illegal iyafana umthetho. Akukho la ukuthi fanele khona sikulaphe mahala because wena you are a foreigner. Cha akukho.
Mhlawumbe kusho ukuthini lokho esayidini lomthetho ukuthi abantu who are illegal national foreigners bakwazi ukuthola usizo noma nje bazi babe nelungelo lokungena ngaphakathi kuma premises ama clinics.
Akukho emthethweni. Akukho emthethweni ngokwe constitution yethu. But ngenxa yokuthi nathi sabantu ulwazi oluningi besingenalo kodwa kusizile ukuthi singene kwi march and march sibe ama members e march and march because kuningi sikufundile because inhloso ye march and march ukusebenza ngama illegal immigrants. But then it came to a point where sathi no ake sihlale phansi sibheke umthetho sisekelo wala e South Africa ukuthi uthini wona uyabavuna yini labantu sakuthola ukuthi cha section 1737 uthi no akuvumelekile ukuthi sibalaphe mahala ngeemali zama taxpayers basebenza kanzima abawakhokha ama tax labantu banezitolo yonke indawo. But uthola ukuthi mawulandela if you can investigate you'll find that ukuthi ayikho imali they don't abaxhasi ngalutho emnothweni abaxhasi ngalutho nje emnothweni wala e South Africa. Yebo kunjalo nje ba.
Sibona injabulo eningi kubantu abaphuma ngaphakathi ama securities ngokuhlukahlukana babonisa ukuyeseka le march nabo mhlawumbe baxawa izindaba zokuthi ama clinic nebhedlela they are overcrowded.
Kunjalo nje because we have spoken to a few workers around abalanga phakathi eclinic. They are overwhelmed with joy because manje lento ebebehlezi bebhekana nayo on a daily basis ayisekho. As from today we will be here guys. So even if you come tomorrow, you come on Friday, if you are a foreigner you will not access a clinic because we are doing into issue a constitution of our laws. So it's not like ukuthi guys we are xenophobic or we are what. We are not xenophobic. Nathi silandela umthetho wezwe lethu. Lithi we are not entitled ukuthi sinilaphe mahala. So nabantu abasebenza ngaphakathi abantu who come to the clinic on a daily basis bakhombisa ukujabula okukhulu kakhulu ngoba izinto zishintshile as of today. Abantu abafike ngo6 labahambe ngo8, bahambe ngo9 abanye basanda kuphuma nje bengenele ngabo7 kuya go past 7. So nasi siyayibona iprogress and we are happy. Siyacela bandla ukuthi niphume ngomningi benu nani South Africans whenever mangabe kubiwa, because siyazi March and March in a page even on Facebook. So please guys, go on Facebook, search for March and March, and please follow that page because okuningi ukuthola lapho. But emalokishini endaweni eningi kunama WhatsApp groups that you can join. So if you uya kwi page le March and March or else uye ku Sis Jacinta Ngobese Zuma, you will get all the necessary information that you need. Even when it comes to ama WhatsApp group links uzoyithola eqondene nala uhlala ngakhona, then you join those groups. If not, whatever ukunywa ku Facebook like nalana sinabantu abangenawo ama groups abawathole namhlanje njoba sila, but they are able to engage entweni ezenzayo because nabo bayibonile ukuthi enough is enough. Alikho ilizwe elifana neSouth Africa ungahamba wonke umhlaba, alikho. South Africa has become the home of everyone that wants to come here and furnish themselves with our medical care facilities. You name it, it's everything. Our jobs, it's everything. You can't be calling us lazy, guys. Sizosebenza phi nithathile imisebenzi? Sizosebenza phi?
Mhlawumbe-ke sesivala nje ama-clinics maningi ney'bhedlela ziningi around Durban. Niplane ukwenza kanjani because siyanibona ukuthi nila e-Eddington Clinic kusakhona uKing Edward, kusakhona nezinye nizokwenza kanjani ukuthi nivale zonke le ndawo?
We are going to have a plan of which we cannot share it live. I'm sorry about that. Yeah. But as members of March and March, we do have a solid plan. Mm-hmm. Right now, there was a commotion when you guys came here. Gukona ama authorities aga metro. And when they came here, kuthiwe babizela ukuthi kune march ekhona la in front of the clinic. And when they came, surprisingly, South Africans, they've got respect. Noma angathi ama foreigners, our justice system is kak, but we as South Africans, we don't believe in that because bathe mabefika bas approach ngendlela right, and only to find ukuthi it was one foreign national who actually called the authorities stating that Tina, we have blocked him from getting or accessing the clinic. Mm-hmm. And when they got here, they called the commissioner and they gave them a head go. No, we know about those people who are there and we know what they're enforcing. Mm-hmm. So we are not doing anything that's
that is silly or something.
That is anything that we are doing right now, it's with the law. Mm-hmm. Thank you.
Siyabonga.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, Durban Network besikhona bafowethu Eddington Clinic ila besikhona sizozwa kabanzi ukuthi zithini izikhalo zama South African, zithini izikhalo zama members we March and March. Bathi they will march until they win. Kanti bathi ke futhi banayo I solid plan yokudila nalesihlava kuzo zonke izibhedlela nama clinic which are surrounded in Durban. Besikhona ke si Durban Network. Thank you.